let's talk about the phases of branding. I kind of see it in these three different phases. There's brand discovery, brand design, and brand execution. So in brand discovery, this is where we discover the soul of your brand through facilitated exercises. So this is all the strategy work. Typically when we work with a organization, there's a founder, right? A business has a founder, and we would start with their personal vision. You know, what do they see themselves doing in terms of their life, and then how does that become part of their business's vision? So that's another thing over here. We talk about the why does the business exist? We talk about purpose, positioning, the personality of the business. We come up with internal only and mission statements. We figure out who the ideal customer personas are, finding the voice of the brand and then communicating that voice, figuring out what the right brand name is according to the ideal customer personas, and then generating awareness and generating revenue. What's the game plan with all that? What is the strategy? So all of this is under brand discovery. It's all thinking, it's all of the hard work. Once we figure out all of this strategy under brand discovery, we go into brand design. We're able to convert this strategy into design. And this is where we design your brand soul through visual communication. And that includes the logo and the identification systems, what typography we're going to use, you know, what's the color palette, the brand guideline, which is all the rules and regulations of how to use the logo and identity, the stationery, you know, the business card and letterheads and all the other collateral material that comes with your brand, maybe some social media branding, how do the headers look like, any motion graphics and any other assets. All of that is part of the brand design. Once we have all of that set and done, then we get to go ahead and do brand execution. You see I got arrows over here because it could be executed in many different ways. This is where we communicate your soulful brand to your ideal audience. This is building and designing and developing the website. This is email marketing, social media marketing, any video production, maybe some 2D and 3D animation. Maybe you're designing some merchandise, pitch decks, pretty much anything you can imagine. Definitely my organization can handle the stevelucin.com brand, but brand execution is where you're continuously executing the brand. You can't just have a logo. You know, what are you going to do with that logo? You're going to continuously execute it, and it's not just the logo, it's really all of the messaging that we have discovered in the brand discovery. And that's why it's ideal to always start with brand discovery, go into design, and then execute it.